Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today students we are going to learn standard 7 English Balbati textbook unit 1 lesson number 1.2 odd one in. So come along, let us read and understand the lesson. Introduction. The story Odd One In, written by Titi Tavora, the story of two girls, Malti and Rima. Rima is a fashionable girl and Malti is exactly the opposite. Rima has lived in a city while Malti is from a village. They both have their strengths and weaknesses. So let us begin the story to find out how their journey together was. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Now here sat down for dinner means to sit down at the dining table to have dinner. Here full family sitting down for dinner and talking. So mother wanted to know from Rima, how was your first day of school? Okay, Rima shrugged. No lesson, just settling in. Here Rima said, okay, shrugged means move your shoulder up and down to show indifference. So here she said it was just okay, nothing special. There was no lesson, but there were just settling in. Here settling in means to get to know your friend, your teacher, what would be the class going on, what would be the timetable and any other thing. Any new girls in your class? Enquired her father, Mr. Sen. So father Mr. Sen wanted to know whether there any new girl in your class in this year. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Now Rima replied that there is only one girl who had joined anew and her name was Malti, and Rima found her funny. Grimaced. Here grimaced means to make a face, to make a facial expression to show dislike. So here it shows Rima did not like Malti as she helped herself to the salad. It means she served herself salad, means she took some salad in her plate. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Here Mr. Sen, Rima's father, wanted to know that why Rima found Malti funny. Rima replies, she can't speak much English. She has come from another state. Sniffed Rima, naming one at the another end of the country. Rima replies that Malti cannot speak proper English or she can't speak fluent English and she has come from the another state. Sniffed Rima. Sniffed means to make a sound from your nose to show dislike. So she said from which state Malti had came. Oh children from that state are supposed to be very clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. So here Mr. Sen told her that the state from Malti had come. All the children from that state are supposed to be very clever and they are specially good at maths. Well, this one does not seems to so smart. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So here Rima replies, no, daddy, you are wrong. She does not seems to be. It means she is not like that as we are thinking. She is not looking so smart. Oily hair, bindi on forehead. Here oily hair means she put oil on her hair. As a traditional look she came. She put bindi on her and Rima mimicked. Mimic means copied. To say exactly the way another person said. Rima said, good morning, teacher. Her parents exchanged glance. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could not insufferable at times. Exchange a glance means here her parents look at each other and give out a silent message. Rima was their only child means Rima don't have any other siblings, means don't have any brother, sister. They doted on her. Here doted on her means they loved her very much because she is their only child. She could not be insufferable. Insufferable means intolerable, unbearable. Sometimes she do some acts which nobody would like it, so they thought that she could be intolerable. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So here Mr. Sen that I hope you and your friends will not make things difficult for Malti, means you will not tease her, you would not you will help her, you have to be help her. Sighed Mr. Sen. Here sighed meaning to make a sound from your mouth to show sorrow. So he sadly said that don't make things difficult to the Malti. Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. Here means he finished her. Mr. Sen finished his dinner and he got up from the table. Rima and her gang decided to do just that. See here. Now Rima and her gang means Rima and her group of friends. They wanted to do just like that, as mentioned here. Mr. Sen mentioned that don't do like that, but they want to do same thing there. They have decided not to help her, they have decided to tease her, and they wanted to make things difficult for Malti. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, "Good morning." Next morning, when Malti came to school and just she was entering the class, they all chorused. They all chorused means they all said together, "Good morning," and they teased Malti. Actually, they were saying good morning, but they were copying Malti that good morning. Poor Malti. She did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." Poor Malti here, she did not know that Rima and her friends imitated or copied her by saying good morning. She beamed back at them. Here beam back means she smiled at them and again she replied good morning. Actually, she did not realize that they were teasing her. So here students, our first page of lesson odd one in is finished and we will continue this lesson tomorrow. Thank you.